Hi, and welcome to Riffing with the Writers. I'm Phil Sheridan, along with Bob Ford of the Philadelphia Inquirer. We're at Westy's Tavern. I guess it's time to talk about the Philadelphia 76ers. Starting their season this week in Toronto, Billy King has put together a team here that he would like us to be excited about. Can we be excited about it, and can we be excited about Billy King running this team anymore?
Yeah, that's a good question. When you say it's time to talk about the Sixers, we might only be talking about them for 1 week this year until you completely lose interest. You know, if Billy King were not going to be the president of the 76ers, he'd already be gone, because you would have made that transition when you transitioned away from the Allen Iverson era. Now, Ed Snyder has given him this year, and he almost has to give him next year as well, because next year is when they're going to have some salary cap room, when they're going to be able to bring in some free agents, if they can get the free agents they want to get, if they can entice those guys to come here. But for this season, you're going to be looking at a team that they're selling energy. They're saying, come watch us, we're going to play the right way, we're going to dive for loose balls. We might even practice on the days off. You never know. And it's kind of hard to get worked up about that, but that's what you've got this year. So if you've committed to having Billy King there now, you've got to be committed to having him there for probably 2 more seasons.
And it's really painting yourself into a corner in a lot of ways, because next year is a make or break year with this team, with the cap space, with the roster flexibility that they haven't had. But you're giving it to a guy, giving the decision making to a guy who has not really proven himself capable of making those big decisions. So Billy King is going to make them, whether we like it or not. And and it's only fair to let him make them, but he hasn't proven that he can get those things right.
No, and they've got an entire roster now of guys who are 6'6", 6'7", 6'8". When they go into that free agent market next year, they're going to be looking for a talented big guy. There's nothing harder to find. So there's no guarantees that this is going to turn out right. But for now, Billy King is just saying to you, look at this team, enjoy their hustle, and dream about next year perhaps.
And talk about practice.
Talk about practice.